Good day everyone. My name is Angelo P. Ortega and I am the reporter of this report. Describe the effects of force on the size of an object. So, effect of force. A force acting on an object causes the object to change its shape or size, to start moving, to stop moving, to accelerate or decelerate. So, how does force affect the size of an object? When a force is applied on an object, then the shape and size of the may change shape by compressing, stretching, or bending. For example, when a spring is pulled from both ends, then the size and the shape of the spring are changed due to the force applied while pulling. Some situations where force is applied and change the size are the following. Number 1. Cutting. Example, cutting a piece of cardboard means divide into pieces with a knife or other sharp implement. And number 2, bending. Example, bending a paper clip means shape of force something straight into a curve or angle. So, some object may change the size when force is applied on it. Remember this. When force was applied to an object, the size of an object may change, and some materials are different sizes. Some are big, others are small, some are long, others are short. And when force is applied to it, some objects become bigger, smaller, longer, or shorter. And last, some situations where force is applied and change the size are the following. Number 1, dropping a vase. Number 2, biting an apple. Number 3, cutting a paper or cardboard. And number 4, stretching a rubber band. So, that's all. Thank you po.